Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 Pro and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find General. Then let's scroll down again and localize the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap on Reset. And as you can see at the top, we've got the option we're looking for, so reset all settings. Let's tap on it. Of course, enter your screen lock to confirm everything. And here your device is informing you that it will reset all settings. However, no data or media will be deleted. So it is not a hard reset or something like that. No worries, it will simply reset the settings such as the screen timeout, for example. So just tap on reset all settings. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because it will reset the settings and you cannot undo this action. So be aware about that, and then tap on reset all settings. And now your device will start to reset everything, so just be patient. After that, it will be turned on automatically and everything will be reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.